Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the lower control arm on the rear subframe on Dodge Caliber. This is the control arm that we're going to be replacing. There is two bolts holding the control arm, and there is another two that holds one of them holds the shock absorber, the other one holds the twist rod that we need to remove. First, we start by removing the wheel. Next, we'll remove the nut that holds the twist rod. If the video is useful, please like and subscribe. Next, we'll put transmission jack underneath to hold the control arm while we remove the bolts for the shock absorber and bolts that hold the control arm. That's the bolt for the shock absorber removed. Next, we'll start removing the two bolts holding the control arm to the subframe. That's one bolt removed, and we have another bolt to remove on the other side. Okay, we're trying to remove the nut on the bolt, but it's going very hard, so we might need to heat it up a little bit. When we heat it up, then the nut will go out easier. And now the nut comes out very easy. We also need to remove this metal plate and the two bolts holding the metal plate so that we can remove the bolt for the control arm. And now we can remove the bolt. Okay, now that the bolt is removed, we just need to pull down the control arm. We might need to pry it out a little bit, but it's coming out, and that's the control arm out. Next, we'll put on the new control arm in the reverse order. Okay, now that we've put the 3 bolts on, the 2 on the control arm, the 2 ends, and 1 on the shock absorber, we need to lift up the whole suspension in order to tighten them. If we tighten the bolts with the suspension down, then the bushings on the control arm will fail very quickly. Okay, now we lifted the suspension to the maximum level, and now we can tighten the bolts. And once everything is tightened, we can put on the nut for the twist rod, and we're done. Thank you for watching.